In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the low volume issue in Bluetooth earbuds. I hope your problem is your earbuds volume is so low. Even though you max the sound on your phone, the sound is so much low. But your earbuds are sound way more louder past. So let's dive in how to fix it. Actually, the fault is not in your earbuds. It's most common fault in Bluetooth. First, go to Bluetooth settings in your mobile device and connect your earbuds. Then click on Settings on connected device. Now disconnect. Click on Forget. Now click on Pair New Device and pair the earbud again. Now your problem will be gone and enjoy the sound. Thanks for watching and subscribe.